Bonjour Cathy, bonjour Patrick. Nous sommes mardi matin. En Belgique, il pleut et il fait froid. It's quite cold here. It's rainy, still raining, and well, it's almost the summertime now. But we haven't seen any sun in Belgium. I hope you guys are doing very well. We continue the reading of Tintin, the two last parts. So we still have today and then next week, and then the book is finished. And let me know if there's any book you would like to read, if not another Tintin. But so Tintin was in the factory and he was supposed to, well, to be crushed in a machine. And so, let's read. Ha, vraiment, pour un reporter, je ne l'aurais jamais cru si naïf. Ha, really, for a reporter, I aurais, would have, and it's ne, I wouldn't ever have cru, believed. Cru is coming from the verb croire, to believe. So naive. Le chef sera content. The chief will be happy. Allô, j'écoute. Allô, oui, Tom? Hello, I'm listening. Hello, yes, Tom. Ça y est? That's it? Ah, très bien. Very well. Parfait. Perfect. En corned beef? In corned beef? Tu es un type épatant. You are a astonishing guy. Épatant is really wonderful, astonishing. Quoi? What? $5,000? Oh, I didn't read it in French. $5,000, $5,000. D'accord, tu les auras. I agree, you will have them. OK. Tout de même, si les usines Slift se rendaient compte des ingrédients qui entrent dans la fabrication de leurs conserves, well, tout de même, all the same, if the factories Slift se rendaient compte, would realize, hein, se rendre compte, yeah, that's a hard verb, it means to realize, they would realize the ingredients that enter in the fabrication of their cans, hein, conserve, the cans. Eh bien, que faites-vous là, vous autres? Well, what are you doing there, you guys? Vous n'avez rien à faire. You don't have nothing to do, not anything to do. Et puis, qui vous a permis d'arrêter les machines? And then, who has permis? Hein? Well, it sounds like permission, but so who has allowed you to stop the machines? Que se passe-t-il? What's happening? Ce qui se passe? What's happening? C'est la grève. This is a strike. La direction a baissé les prix auxquels on nous rachetait les chiens, les chats et les rats qui servaient à fabriquer le pâté de lièvre. Wow! So, the board of directors has lowered the prices at which they bought from us, hein, racheté, they bought from us, the dogs, the cats, and the rats that served or that were used to fabricate or to make the hare pâté. A hare, like a rabbit, like a wild rabbit pâté. Alors, vous comprenez? So, you understand. Mais alors, Tintin, but so then Tintin, bon Dieu, my God, pourvu que cette grève n'ait pas commencé trop tôt. Hoping that this strike has not started too early. Trop tôt, too early. Que dirait le chef? What would say the boss? What would the boss say? Dieu soit loué. God be praised. Nous sommes indemnes. We are indemnes, like unharmed. Si cette machine ne s'était pas arrêtée tout de suite, nous sortions d'ici sous forme de corned beef. If this machine hadn't been stopped, arrêtée, immediately, tout de suite, nous sortions, we would get out of here in the form of corned beef. Et ça arrive souvent, des accidents comme ça. He's not stupid, Milou. And that happens often. Accidents like that. Oh mon Dieu, oh my God, quelle joie pour moi de vous retrouver sain et sauf. What a joy for me to find you back, sain, healthy and safe. J'ai fait stopper immédiatement toutes les machines. Mais quels mortels instants j'ai passés. I have made stopped, I had immediately stopped all the machines, but what a deadly moments I passed. I had. OK. Et croyez bien, cher monsieur, que je suis navrée de cet accident qui, en plus de l'émotion, a dû vous donner une piètre idée de nos usines. And believe me well, dear sir, that I am navré, I'm sorry that this accident, I'm sorry about this accident that on top of the emotion has had to, yes, dû is coming from the verb devoir, to must, to have to, had to give you a poor idea of our factories. Au contraire, je suis charmée. On the contrary, I am charmed. Look at Milou. He's not happy. Tout cela me paraît louche. All that seems to me fishy. Cette invitation, ce monsieur si aimable, et puis cet accident bizarre. This invitation, this gentleman so amiable, and then this strange or bizarre accident. Oui, et puis il avait une sale tête, ce monsieur. Yes, and then he had une sale tête means he didn't look nice. He had a horrible head, this man. Allô, allô? Oui, c'est moi. Hello, hello. Yes, it's me. Chef, boss. Tout est à recommencer. Everything is to be restarted, to be done again. Recommencer. Pendant que je vous téléphonais, une grève a éclaté. While I was phoning you, a strike has started, éclaté, started, et toutes les machines ont été arrêtées. And all the machines have been stopped. Arrêter means to stop. Oui, hélas, sain et sauf. Yes, too bad. Healthy and safe. Que voulez-vous? What do you want? Vous n'êtes qu'un imbécile. You're just an imbecile. Quand on a une occasion pareille, on ne la laisse pas échapper. When one has a opportunity pareil like that, one does not let escape it. C'est bien. It's good. Je saurai que désormais, je ne puis plus compter sur vous. I will know that désormais means from now on, I cannot anymore count on you. Suffit. Enough. Quant à vos 5 000 $, évidemment, n'en parlons plus. Quant à, that means as far as your $5,000 are concerned, of course, we don't talk about it anymore, ne plus. So now we're on the next page. Allô, voyons, chef, ne coupez pas. Hello, let's see, boss. Don't cut the line. Allô, allô, allô. Zut, il a raccroché. Too bad, he hung up. Oh, oh, j'ai bien fait de revenir. Wow, I have done very well to revenir. Come back. On entend ici des choses très intéressantes. One hears here things that are very interesting. Quoi de neuf, Tintin? What's new? What's up, Tintin? Me voici en disgrâce. Here I am in disgrace. Allô? Allô, oui? Encore toi? Hello, hello, yes. You again? Que me veux-tu encore? What do you want? Again. Ah, bien, très bien. Well, very well. À la bonne heure. Well, à la bonne heure really means like it's the right time, just in time. C'est merveilleux. It's marvelous. Je suis chez toi dans 5 minutes. I am at your place, chez toi, hein, in 5 minutes. À bientôt. See you soon. Monsieur Tom Awake, je vous prie. So, Mr. Tom Awake, I pray you, please. Je vous prie. We could translate it by please. Monsieur Tom Awake vous attend, monsieur. Mr. Tom Awake is waiting for you, sir. Ah, I think I recognize this little man here and this little dog over here. Bonjour, mon cher. Hello, my dear. Comment? C'est une plaisanterie? How? Is this a joke? Tu sais que tu n'as pas téléphoné. Ah, tu dis que tu n'as pas téléphoné. You say that you didn't phone? I think it was Tintin who phoned. Te moquerais-tu de moi par hasard? Moquerais it's a conditional, so would you be making fun of me? By chance, par hasard, by chance? Hein? Réponds. Come on, answer. Diable, ça barde là-dedans. By the devil, there is trouble in there, là-dedans. Ton coup de téléphone a fait de l'effet. Your phone call has had an effect. So it was Tintin who called. Voilà, ça t'apprendra à te payer ma tête, imbécile. There you are. That will learn you. Oui, payer ma tête means to make fun of me. Imbecile. But here is Tintin, and there is Milou. Vous avez eu tort de laisser là votre pistolet, cher monsieur. You were wrong there to let there your pistol, dear sir. Look at Milou, who has the wig. Tort, wrong, vous croyez? Do you believe? Pas tellement, not so much. Ce Browning n'est pas chargé. That Browning, so that pistol, is not loaded. Mais voici une arme bien meilleure, ma fidèle canne épée. But here is a weapon, a much better weapon. My faithful, shall we call it a sword cane? Canne, it's a cane, like a walking stick. Épée, it's a sword. Dont je vais me servir pour vous guérir une fois pour toutes de la fâcheuse habitude que vous avez de vous mêler de ce qui ne vous regarde pas. Of which I'm going to have the use, servir, have the use, to guérir, to cure you once and for all of the unfortunate habit that you have to mingle with what ne vous regarde pas, it's not your business. To put your nose in other people's business. Yes, this is a little bit hard as an expression. You don't have to know that. That's quite hard. C'est vraiment trop pointu. That is really too pointu, sharp or pointed. See, Tintin, he tries to shoot Tick, but the gun is not loaded. We are on the next page. Zut, too bad. Je m'en vais te clouer au sol, vermine. I'm going to pin you to the ground, vermin. Oh, tu ne perds rien pour attendre, petit gredin. Oh, you're not losing anything to wait, small scoundrel. Je vais te transformer en écumoire. I'm going to transform you in écumoire. I think you call that in English a skimmer, you know, when you want like, you know, like this big spoon with holes in it. I think it's a skimmer you call that. Je vais te pourfendre. I'm going to fight you. C'est qu'il le ferait. It's that he would do it. He's really dangerous, this guy. Au secours! Help! Sapristi, me voilà en bien mauvaise posture. Oh my God, here I am in a really bad situation. Bang! Mon Dieu, que se passe-t-il? My God, what's happening? Ah, j'ai bien fait de me mettre à l'abri. I have done very well to put myself in a shelter to hide. Woohoo! Oh, that's Milou. And Tintin is wondering what's happening. Ooh, oh, look here. Milou's tail. Mon pauvre Milou. My poor Milou. Ne crains rien, ce n'est pas grave. Don't fear anything. It's not serious. Tu seras vite guéri. You will be quickly cured. You will be better very soon. Et même s'il fallait te couper la queue, ce ne serait pas si terrible, après tout. Pas vrai? And even if il fallait, it was necessary to cut your tail, that wouldn't be so terrible after all. Not true? Ah, tu trouves, toi? Ah, that's what you find. That's what you think, you. Mais ce serait épouvantable. It would be terrible. Je perdrais là toute ma beauté. I would lose there all my beauty. All of my beauty. Haha, look at that. Et maintenant que toute la bande est capturée, nous allons pouvoir prendre un repos bien mérité. And now that the whole gang is captured, we are going to be able to take a rest bien mérité, well deserved. Okay, and I think we're going to the last page of today. Oui, messieurs. Yes, gentlemen. Look, here's the public. I think they're all criminals. I think so. Look at that. Okay. Oops. Now we really have a long text. This will be hard. Okay, good. Let's try to attack it. If this is too boring for you, you can skip it, but I'm going to read it. La situation est devenue intenable pour notre profession. The situation has become untenable, unbearable for our profession. En l'espace de quelques mois, deux de nos chefs les plus réputés, ainsi que leurs meilleurs collaborateurs, ont payé de leur liberté l'audace qu'ils avaient eue de s'attaquer à lui. Okay, so yeah, their profession is in danger because, in fact, well, Tintin is trying to, well, well, Tintin, he's trying to arrest all those criminals. So, in the space, I think in English, rather in the time of a few months, two of our chiefs, the most known, the most famous, as also their best collaborators, have paid of their liberty the audacity that they have had to attack him. Him, well, that's Tintin. Messieurs, cela ne peut durer davantage. Gentlemen, that cannot last longer. Il y aurait bientôt autant de périls à pratiquer notre métier qu'à être un bon citoyen. There would be soon as much danger to practice our job than to be a good citizen. Au nom du Comité central d'aide et de secours aux gangsters nécessiteux, je m'élève contre un tel état de choses. In the name of the Central Committee of Help and Secours, well, it's also an assistance maybe, to gangsters in need, nécessiteux, in need, I stand up against such a state of things, such a situation of things. Je vous demande de faire trêve à vos querelles particulières. So I demand, or I ask you, de faire trêve, maybe to call a truce. Shall we translate it like that? To call it, trêve is a truce, to call a truce of your particular fights, et de former un front unique contre ce trouble-tête. And to make a unique front against this troublemaker. J'ai nommé Tintin le reporter. I named Tintin the reporter. So they all want to fight against Tintin. Unissons-nous donc contre cet ennemi commun. Let's unite ourselves against this enemy, this common enemy, et jurons de ne plus prendre aucun repos jusqu'à ce que ce reporter de malheur soit à plusieurs pieds sous terre ou sous eau. So, and jurons, let's swear to not take not any rest jusqu'à ce que, until this reporter, this miserable reporter, is at several feet under the earth, in the ground, or under the water. J'ai dit, I have spoken. This was a very long text. Okay. And so what is their answer? Hip hip hooray! Hippie pourra, hippie pourra. Il a bien parlé. He has well spoken. Yes, très bien. Yes, very well. And then somewhere else, here is Tintin and Milou. Et je lève mon verre en l'honneur de ces jeunes et modestes héros. And I raise my glass in the honor of this young and modest hero. Reporter sans peur et sans reproche. A reporter without fear and without blame. Qui, par sa tranquille audace, est parvenu en peu de temps à inspirer aux gangsters une crainte salutaire. Who, by his calm Audacity est parvenu, has managed, in little time, in not so long, to inspire the gangsters with a healthy fear. Ils ne sont pas gays, tu sais, ces dîners officiels. They are not funny, you know, these official dinners. Okay, and then Tintin, he is speaking. Soyez assurés, mesdames et messieurs, be reassured, ladies and gentlemen, que j'emporterai de ce trop court séjour en Amérique un souvenir inoubliable. That I emporterai, I will take with me, of this too short journey in America, a unforgettable, inoubliable, a unforgettable souvenir or memory. Et c'est de tout cœur que je vous dis, and it's with all my heart that I tell you, ça y est, hic, there it is. Moi, j'ai, I have, j'ai le OK. I have the hiccups. Okay, and then electricity. What's happening? Okay, and so next week, I hope you will be there. I hope all of you will read with me the very last part of this book next week, and maybe you can let me know if there is another Tintin book you would like to read. Thank you very much, and well, I'm having some more coffee. I really need it today, and I wish you a very, very happy Tuesday. See you next week.